We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Hello everyone. From our last lecture, we are started to discuss about login controls in ASP.NET. We already discussed login control and login view control. Now in this lecture, we are going to discuss 2 more controls, that is login name control and login status control. We'll start with the first, that is login name control. The login name control is responsible for displaying the names of all authenticated users. It uses the page.user.identity.name to return the value of the user's name. If no user is logged in, then this control is not displayed on the page. Namespace hierarchy for the login name control is system.object, system.web.ui.control, system.web.ui.webcontrols.webcontrols, and system.web.ui.webcontrol.login name. The login name class does not contain any method, properties, or events that is not inherited from any other class, such as control class. The only non-inherited property that is contained is format string, which is used to display the format item string in the login name control. So over here, in login name control, properties, events, and methods are not available. Now we'll start our next control, that is login status control. The login status control specify whether or not particular user has logged on the website. The text display on this control changes according to the login status of the user. Okay, for example, we had many a time experience that there is a control available like logged in. Before login, that particular hyperlink or that particular controls give us a caption login. Okay, and after logged in to the website, it will automatically give us a caption, and that caption is nothing but logged out. So this how that particular text will change. Okay, so this is just because of login status control. When the user is not logged in, this control display the login text as a hyperlink that facilitates the user in navigate to login page. Login status control display the logout text as hyperlink when the user is logged in to the website, and deletes the authentication information as soon as the user clicked on logged out link. The login status control provides the following 2 views to the web page. First is logged out view and second is logged in view. In logged out view, it displays when the user is not logged in. This view provides a link to the login page. And last one is logged in view. It is used to display when the user is logged in. This view provides a link to log out of the website. Namespaces are available for the login status control is system.web, system.web.ui.control, system.web.ui.webcontrols.webcontrol, system.web.ui.webcontrols.composite controls, and system.web.ui.webcontrols.login name. Few methods, properties, and events are available for login status control. We'll start with the first, that is method. First one is create child control method. It creates a child control to make the login status control. Next is on logged out method. It is used to raise the logged out event when the user clicked to the logged out link. Next is On login out, it is used to raise the logged out event when the user click the logout link on the login status label. Now we are going to discuss about properties. First is login image URL. It is used to retrieve or set the URL of the image used for the login link. Next is login text. It is used to retrieve or specify the text used for the login link. Next is logout action. It is used to retrieve or specify a value to determine the action when a user logged out of a website with the login status control. Next is logout image URL. It is used to retrieve or specify the URL of image used for the logout button. Page URL. It is used to retrieve or specify the URL of the logout page. And next is logout text. It is used to retrieve or specify the text used for the logout link. Apart from these, two events are available. First event is logging out. It is initiated after the user has sent a logout request to the server by clicking the logout link or button of the login control. Logged out event. It initiated by login status class when the logout process completes. As we saw, login and login view controls website. A welcome message is displayed when a user authenticated. The welcome message is same for every user who is authenticated by the website. In case you want to personalize the website by displaying the username on the web page, you can use login control. You can also display the login status to the user by using login status control. Now we are going to see an example by the use of login name control and login status control by using Visual Studio. Okay, so I add a web application with the name login name status. Okay, I already designed a web page over here, and, and that web page name is index.aspx. On this web page, I just put a login control by dragging it from toolbox. You can check the source code also. I just put a login control. Okay, now, in the property of this login control, I set property that property name is destination page URL and I set it to home page. I already created a home page. Okay, it means a login credential entered by user are authenticated. Then this web page is redirect from here to home.aspx. Okay, so for that I had at a property that is destination page URL. Okay, now I'm going to design a home page. I already designed a home page, but I give a demo of this home page inside the this home 2.aspx. Okay, so so inside this division tag, I just, if I want to give a message, for firstly I want to give a success message, and that message will be a personalized message with username. Then I will write like this, welcome. Then if I want to give username, then I have to use a control that is login name control. I just drag that login name control from toolbox from login category and just put it over just beside the welcome. Okay, then I will write like this, welcome username, then you are successfully logged in. Okay, so this is how we can give some success message by giving the personalized message. Now if I want to give a login status, for example, we already discussed there are login status have two view, logged in and logged out. If I want to put logout button over here, it means a logout view. I just drag and drop a login status from here and just put it over here. Okay, so if my system is already logged in, then this login status control give a caption as logged out. And if I'm not logging to this website, then it will give login, it will give just login caption. Okay, so I already designed like my web page like this. I already design my web page like this, welcome user, then I will give a message that you have successful message, you have successful logged in. For this message username, for this username I'm using login name control, and to give the status I am using login status control. Okay, and I already created a user as our last lecture's example, that is John, and password is John at the rate 123. So we'll use same and run our application. Okay, so I just click on run button, it will take me to the Google Chrome. Okay, so it will give me the output like this: username, it will asking for username and password. Okay, so for example we are entering John as username and password is John at the rate 123. I just going to click on login button. Okay, it will give us a message that you can see a username is directly displayed by our control, that is login name control, welcome John, you have successfully logged in. And we are using login status control over here, and currently it is displaying a caption that is log out, because our we are already logged into our website. Okay, if I clicked on this logged out button, it will remove all login credential from the system, and it will remove all the login credential from our system, and it will redirect me to the login page. So you can see that it will take me to the login page, but not our login page, it will take me to the default login page created by the administrative tool. Okay, that's it for this lecture. In our next lecture we will discuss about change password control. Thank you.